Alright, so Epson Fusion 12 will be starting in a little bit. That's the annual media event from Epson Philippines. But before that, there's just a couple of stuff that I wanted to unpack. So let's get to it. So first we have this brown paper bag right here. It says sour. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Is that French or an invented word? S-O-E-U-R. Okay, weird. Sour. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure who sent this, so I hope there's a note inside. Hey. Sour. Siyempre, wala naman tayong... Hindi tayo ready, no? Wala naman tayong gunting. Anyways. Let's check it out. I put this in the ref, but I have no idea what's inside. I just knew it was food, so... Oh, okay, there you go. Cookies. Thank you for sharing your love for cookies with us. We hope you enjoy every ooey gooey bite of these babies. We promise it's worth it. Oh, from AIA Philam Life. Okay, there you go. Thank you, Philam Life, for the cookies. I really appreciate it. Let's go to the next box right here. From, well, who else, right? Safeguard. Alright, Safeguard Foaming Body Wash. I've been using this product for about 2 weeks now and I just absolutely love it. You can check out our previous video for the unboxing of the Safeguard body wash. We're starting to become a lifestyle and unboxing channel. Haven't you guys noticed? So, baka maging unbox or lifestyle kuya na tayo next time. Unbox kuya, lifestyle kuya. But anyways, home detox kit. We have some stickers right here. And there's a guide with some photos of how you're supposed to post. Okay, not a lifestyle dude, but I'll try since Safeguard sent me these stuff. Okay, this is what I've been using for 2 weeks now, yung foaming body wash. Okay, gustong gusto ko siya, guys. Ang bango. And I just love foaming foamed soap. Okay. Tuwing hand wash, tuwing nag-wash ako ng hands, talagang yun yung hinahanap ko, yung nagfo-foam. Kasi feeling ko mas matipid, tsaka mas nakakabula. And this time, they gave me this new scent, bamboo charcoal. I've never tried this before, so I'm very interested kung ano yung amoy niya. And in fact, we're gonna check it out right now. May lifestyle channel na talaga tayo, guys. Is that a good thing? We're tech kuya. We're supposed to do tech. But anyways, here it is. Alright. Welcome to Unbox/Lifestyle Kuya. And this is a candle. Okay. I think my wife will love that. And a loofah. Loofah. May naisip na tuloy ako na peg, diba? Pero medyo baka R-rated for Instagram. Alright, a towel. Okay, finish na tayo sa non-tech stuff. Let's go to the tech stuff. Epson Fusion 12 will be happening in a little while. Like I said earlier, this is the annual media event by Epson Philippines. So I can't wait to see these guys, well, virtually, because we have no option right now other than to meet virtually because we're still in quarantine. So I can't wait to see Ed Banoan. Hi. We'll see each other soon. So, eto siya, guys. Oh, wow, fancy. Can you see it? So, it looks like a cocktail kit. I actually have a smaller shaker. This is a stainless steel shaker. Okay, I have a smaller version. So this is a 2-ounce cup or a 2-ounce jigger. And here you have the shaker. Kung bumibili kayo ng milk tea, for sure nakikita nyo to. Okay, put the liquid inside. Milk tea or cocktail, okay, whatever wine or spirits you wanna mix. Tapos isasalpak nyo ito. Yung cover nito may holes, okay? Kasi i-shake nyo siya. So ipapasok nyo siya, sasara nyo siya. Tapos isi-shake nyo yung contents. Like so. For sure naman nakikita nyo yun, di ba? Pag bumibili kayo ng milk tea. Uminom ba kayo nun? So ayan, sasara nyo siya. You're gonna shake it like this. Then you're gonna remove the cover, pour, okay, voila, that's it. Okay, so inom tayo mamaya, guys. Kahit, okay, hygiene kit. Bagay ito sa ating safeguard, okay. Napaka-lifestyle ng peg natin ngayon. Ano nangyayari sa channel natin? Oy guys, ang ganda. I like this. Denim na face mask. Oy, pwede. I love it. Siyempre, ginamit ka agad, no? Pero yon, tas meron tayong cap. Uy, I love it. So may bago tayong cap. Ang ang peg natin. Tapos meron tayo ditong passport. We have a passport. Wish we could actually travel to these cities written here. Yan. London, Athens, Paris, Australia, India. Tapos meron din tayong boarding pass. So virtual class. Ang cute. Yan. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a virtual trip to Epson Fusion, wherever that is in the virtual world. We have some photo guidelines. Siyempre, baka di na tayo umabot bilang mamaya-maya na yon. So this is the program. Okay, I hope you guys can read it. And so, make sure your Zoom app, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so we're supposed to take photos. Very nice, very fancy, guys. I love it. Love it, love it. And here we have some, what do you call this? Tapas? I think that's the proper term for meats and cheeses that you take with your wine or with your cocktail. So it's a, okay fine, it's a wine set. At naka-tape siya. Bubuksan ko lang siya para lang tikman. We're not gonna consume it yet. Ayan, wow. Alright. Lifestyle na lifestyle ang peg natin ngayon, guys. Ano nangyari sa channel natin? Puro tayo lifestyle stuff. Guys, where the tech stuff? Alright. Let's bring in the tech stuff, guys. Next time. Okay. Siyempre, wala na naman tayong gunting. Pero hindi problema yan. Pinoy tayo. Mocktail kit. We're supposed to make some drinks. There you go. There's a guide right here. Singapore and Spain. We're supposed to recreate some signature cocktails. Okay, from those locations. finally, maintindihan ko na rin kung paano gumawa ng cocktail. Salamat kay Epson. Okay, meron tayong dried citrus. We have, what's this? Yung ano? Whatever. Soda water. Wow. Honey syrup. Grenadine. Dami ah. Orange juice. Limeade. So it's not lemonade. Limeade. Pineapple juice. Orange juice. Black iced tea. So apparently there's no actual alcohol here. I thought we were gonna go alcoholic, which is great. It's a little too early for alcohol. So I can't wait to see what's gonna happen at Epson Fusion 12. I hope to see you guys there. And that's been it. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is lifestyle / unbox kuya. Yan. Okay. Hindi na tayo tech. Puro na tayo lifestyle, guys. Okay. See you. Bye-bye.